Another growing segment of the population that is getting stopped and arrested for driving under the influence are people 60 years and older. More and more, we're seeing people who are 60 and older stopped and arrested not only for alcohol, but also for drugs. That could be prescription or illegal drugs. Any drug that can impair someone's ability to drive can be the basis of a DUI arrest. When we look at DUIs for people 60 and above, we see the driving pattern or how the person's driving may be moderate, may be okay. There may be some weaving, or the driving may be speeding or something like that, where somebody is stopped and it has nothing to do with alcohol or drugs. Where the problems really develop is when the officer begins an investigation and starts to do field sobriety tests. Field sobriety tests were never designed for people who were 60 or older, and it is going to be expected that somebody is going to fail the field sobriety test. Most people who are 60 or above have some sort of ailment or injury, whether that's back problems or knee problems, that will impair their ability to do field sobriety tests, and it has nothing to do with alcohol or drugs. So field sobriety tests for people 60 and above is almost worthless, yet the officers will rely upon that and the prosecutors will rely upon that to file DUI charges. They will also do a chemical test, which could be a breath test or a blood test. And of course, there are ways to challenge how the test was done, how the test was analyzed, and what results were obtained from these tests. And it's very important that an attorney know how to look into breath testing or blood testing to defend somebody who is 60 years or older, possibly on a combination of alcohol and prescription medication. The Department of Motor Vehicles is also a critical part of handling a case of somebody who's 60 years and older. The DMV needs to be contacted within 10 days. If this is not done, the DMV will automatically suspend their license on an alcohol case. You have a right to a hearing, but that hearing must be requested in 10 days, and your attorney can do that for you. Your attorney can also go to court for you on misdemeanor DUIs. Your attorney can appear on all stages of the case, from the arraignment in the very beginning all the way through a jury trial, if your attorney and you agree that that is appropriate with your particular case. For anybody who's 60 years or older who was stopped and arrested for driving under the influence, if you have questions about breath testing, blood testing, or even urine testing, feel free to call my office. You can talk to me directly, Attorney Mark Rosenfeld, and you can reach me at 310-424-3145.